Okay, through this process, what I've learned is that the smaller you do the pieces when applying product, the better, because the product shows up well. The thicker the hair, the more product you have to use. As you can see towards the bottom, when I start doing the stitch braids, it doesn't look as uniform. And so I need to add more product before I actually did those stitch braids down here. But overall, I think I did pretty good. I'm learning and learning and learning every week. I'm seeing myself get better and better, especially, I know here it doesn't really show it, but a lot of my parting skills is getting a lot better. Okay, a lot better. All right, I'm understanding how to do points. I'm understanding. I'm just trying to get the hair thing down pat, you know, because this is something that I really love doing in my quality time. When I have nothing else to do, this is like my peace of mind. I think I've said this in a couple of videos. I love doing hair. It's like so creative. I couldn't get any videos of my daughter. She just kept moving around. Like, it was so hard to get video. And then I had to take her outside to kind of calm her down. I'm going back and forth to kind of get her to cooperate. But she's only 2 years old, so I expect this. It was kind of hard to do. But I'm proud of myself to keep going. That I'm proud of myself because I keep going is what I meant. I messed up. But just keep going, keep going. It'll get better. Okay, I'm pretty sure it'll get better. And I think on this part I should just use like some colorful rubber bands, because these little bow ties, they were like way too big. But now I know, just get some colorful rubber bands for her hair. But yeah, she's a little cutie pewtie. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. And if you want to see my growth and how much progress I'm making, just follow along, go back and watch my old videos. I'm getting better and better and better. Subscribe to my channel, because I will be getting better. I'm going to execute this to the point where I'm seeing the other braiders and what they're doing, but I want to be a little bit better, and I want to use products that's not going to dry people's hairs out. So far I found a really good braid gel that has not dried my kids' hairs out at all the different styles that I've done. A lot of the braid gels dry their hair out or it turns white, but so far this one, I'm not gonna show you guys yet because I want to keep doing more styles with it. So far this one has not dried their hair out. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, and subscribe for more.